Alright, hey guys, it's been a long time since I've ever did another Elizabeth's part two, her copycat. So let's get right into that right now. There's no way she's coming to my house. There's no way she's coming to my house. Sorry, I'm chewing gummy bears. Wait, I can just not let her in. I bet she doesn't have these outfits. Okay, I'm gonna put my comfy one. This one back. Ooh, I'm gonna make slime. Alright, let's get started. In the floor. Elizabeth, can you get it? Oh no. Whoever it is, I'm not answering it. Elizabeth! Alright, fine. Ugh, hurry up. Okay, biatch, I'm coming. What's wrong? Oh? Hi, let me get in, please. Let's see how many toys you have. But, okay. Love your outfit. Where'd you get it from? It's actually Old Navy, but, okay, let me just say something else. Oh, I got it from Walmart. Walmart? That's lame. Actually, tell me where you got it from. I'm saying it's Walmart. These are new clothes. Oh, Walmart. Okay, Elizabeth. Yes, let's get into my room. Okay, my room is over there, and also oh my god, it's so pretty. What the? That's the last paint. Genevieve, you got all of the paint. Can I make a rainbow slide too? Even though it's gonna turn brown. No, you don't get any. Oh yeah, how about you don't get any since it's my paint? Did you just insult me? I wish I did. Fine, you can keep all of the paint, but do you want to make your hair rainbow? Rainbow? Oh yes, please. Do you have a shampoo that makes your hair rainbow? No, but I have my ways. Okay. Elizabeth, are you sure? Yes, this is the... Sorry, there was an... Okay, I put yellow paint, so yeah. Okay, it's in... Yeah. Elizabeth, are you sure this is your way? Yes, this totally gets your hair rainbow, Genevieve. You like rainbows, right? Yes, I do. You would do anything for the rainbows? Yes. Alright.
Here you go.
Alright, you're done, Genevieve. Where's my rainbow hair? You said it was gonna be like peekaboo hair. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot you need to rinse it. You want me to rinse my rainbow? Of course not. Oh, I thought you wanted rainbow hair. You got any robes? Of course, Genevieve. Get in. All right. Elizabeth, nothing's happening. And why is there a rubber boat here? Ew, it might have mold. Nothing has mold in it. It's freshly new, and my mom just put super glue in the hole down there so it won't get any mold. By the way, you're crazy. What? I said you're crazy. You're crazy. Why would you believe me? What are you saying, Elizabeth? I thought we were friends. Friends with her? Oh, hell nah. What do you mean, friends? I mean, of course we're friends. Friends do this for each other. Why would you believe me? Because you're gonna have extra sparkly hair. Thank you for doing that, Elizabeth. Of course. Just bathe in for 12 minutes. It's already 5, but okay. La la la, let me start to clean. Do. Ah! Huh? What's wrong? My hair. It's purple, not rainbow. You lied, Elizabeth. Wait, what's happening now? Oh. Oh my god, my hair is black. I miss my natural blonde hair. You never even had blonde hair. You had brown hair. And you never even had blue eyes. You used contacts. You always had ginger eyes, like brownish, orangish. That's disgusting that you're copying someone. What, if I get pregnant, you're gonna get pregnant too? Did you do this to ruin my appearance? Don't change the subject. Are you actually copying me or not? Elizabeth, I thought we were friends. We're not friends anymore. Here. You need something. What? Some floral oil. Be grateful at least it changed your look. Now I'm ginger. What did you do? What did you do? Ow, my scalp is burning. Help. I mean, that's what you get? No, stupid. I mean, let's just rinse your scalp. At least it'll cool out. Oh my, you ruined my life. I never did. I'm gonna try scrubbing now. Okay, this ink doesn't work. Let's try this, bro. Oh wait, let's try this. It could work. It works on Elizabeth's stuff. If it stays permanent, she's gonna be like this the whole video. Scrubs. It doesn't come out. But at least it stopped burning. True. You ruined my life, Elizabeth. I'm telling Eliza everything. What? Are you her baby? No, I'm her cousin. Yeah, cry about it. I'm not gonna cry about it. If you're in her G's, how are you so ugly? Excuse me? You're so ugly. Very stupidly ugly. Why are you targeting me? You were about to target me. How about you just calm your attitude before I actually put more chemicals in your hair? I mean, it won't hurt to use some shampoo or hand sanitizer. Want to stay here or want to get your hair done? Good. There you go. Now, shoo, let's go into the kitchen. Huh? Why? Just go out now. We're in water? Oh my god, you have such a beautiful backyard. Yeah, especially this little baby fountain. Look, do you forgive me? You know what? Shoot. Yes, I forgive you, Elizabeth. I don't care that you put paints and chemicals in it. What the hell is this girl? Does the girl have a disease or something? What is wrong with her? And that's why I forgive you. And you're gonna be my best friend in the whole world. Did you have only 0 friends in kindergarten? Anyways, can I swim in the pool? Oh, of course, after I do this. Do what? Just enter the pool. Alright. Hold up. Let me stand here. Hold my hand. Well, Elizabeth, this seems dangerous. I don't care. Bye bye, baby. Ah! Oh. I mean, at least she landed on the trampoline. Let me inside. I gotta get revenge. Why would you say it to me? Now I'm not gonna actually let you in. I hate you, Elizabeth, and I always will. Well, good thing. Bye. Oh, it's night. All right. Enough playing for today. You guys need your bedtime. And by the way, you need your inhaler too. Why are y'all so stubborn? Answer me. What? We're playing the quiet game right now. Oh, you lose. Not you saying a curse word to Sissy. What? How did you learn curse words when you were in your Nintendo Wii? Is that a problem? Okay. Let's just get you out of bed. Good thing you're both already in your jammies. Good night, Isaac. Night. Good night, Isaac. Get in there, Cleo. Good night, Cleo. Let's go. Alright. Let's get to my pajamas. Where are they? Oh. Whatever, I'll use these. I actually lost them. I don't know where they are, guys. Okay. Okay. I haven't used this in a long time, but yeah. Nightcap. Time to go to sleep. It's 4 a.m. Oh, Elliot, you're so wonderful. The unknown number? I don't want to see it. But since I watched Life of Luxury videos, I want to watch. Let me close my curtains unless I get paranoid. Right. Hello. Who's this? Hey, girl. What the hell? Amy, how did you get my phone? My phone number. I remembered it, Dad. I'm making up a random number, so don't actually call this number. I remembered your number. 480089678749. Okay. How could you remember that? I couldn't remember that. Whatever. Can we play Adopt Me? Why Adopt Me right now? We got school in 2 hours. Please, pretty, please. No, second of all, why? Please, I'm begging you, Elizabeth. Why do you, whenever I say no, you never force me to. Why are you forcing me to now? Pretty, please. Oh, fine, only for 4 minutes. 4 minutes, 1 hour. 1 hour, then we have 1 more hour of sleep. Please. Fine, join me on gameplay. Alright. Annoying brat. There. I'm in Adopt Me. What the? I heard you say annoying brat. What the? Hello, Amy? Oh my god, I'm so scared right now. Why are you scared? Because literally somebody joined our private server even though literally I put only let specific people join. Only you and your little brother and sister. What the hell? How did they join? I didn't give them permission. Oh my. I can see that too. I think they aren't even near my house. And they said, I heard you say annoying brat. Yeah, it's so scary, Elizabeth. Somebody enter my room. Stay on call, please. Unless you want to call 911. Oh, Elizabeth. Oh, there you are. I'm so scared. What did you do earlier? I don't know. Stay on call, please. I'm gonna hide you. I'm gonna hide you, Pookie Bear. Pretend they cannot see it, okay? Pretend they cannot see it. Gameplay, dummy, set. Okay. Genevieve, what are you doing here? Get out of my house, now. Oh, Elizabeth, I'm just looking forward to stealing your soul. No, you're not doing that. You're not doing that. Oh my god, my little Elizabeth. Did you seriously just run away from me? What was I supposed to do? I don't know. Call the cops? You're mentally insane, Genevieve. What is happening beneath there? Do I need to call the cops or not? You got backup? I mean, I was calling her. She wanted to play Adopt Me. But I don't care if you're the teacher's pet. I mean, you can snitch on whatever. Just don't steal my soul. Hello? Who's there? I'm Amy. Amy, what are you doing there? I don't know. I'm just eating hot Cheetos and decided to call her. Want one? Yes, please. Okay, meet me at the cafeteria at school. Alright. Bye, Amy. Bye. I gotta go, though. Amy! Oh, shoot, Mom. She's cooked. I know, right? Part 3 soon, y'all. I'm so tired.